How to view hidden conversation on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I will show you how can you view hidden conversation on Snapchat whether you are using an iPhone or Android. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Snapchat with your account. After you open Snapchat, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, you'll have to tap on your chat icon at the bottom left. After you are in the chat section, you can simply tap on the search bar at the top left. After you tap on that, in the source field, type the username or name of that person you suspect has hidden chat. Simply, you'll have to just search that contact username. If the chat doesn't show up in your recent lead but appear in search, it's likely archived or cleared. Tap on the name if it's open a chat. And after you open that conversation and you have the older message, you can easily reactivate hidden conversation if you have been hidden or archived. Simply for that, you'll have to just start a new conversation by sending a new message from here. After you send new message to that person, this will reactive your hidden conversations, and that's it. This is the method you can try to unhide or view the hidden conversation. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.